This is a studio apartment at 40 East Sydney Avenue in Mount Vernon, New York. As you walk into the apartment, you have closets right here. You also have on the other side even more closet space. And here's your living area. As you can tell, you have some nice hardwood floors. It's facing the street. You get a lot of sunlight here. And let me give you another angle. Also, the air conditioning comes with the studio also. You can easily put like a queen size bed in a sectional here. So it's large enough to handle that. And you have a beautiful kitchen over here. This kitchen comes with everything. You have stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, microwave, granite countertops. You have a nice little subway backsplash. And you still have your nice little window overlooking the street there. Just give you another angle. And right here, you have some more closets. So you have a closet here, and you have another closet here on the other side. And here's your bathroom. Now, they're in the process of reglazing the tub. So the company just did this yesterday, but everything here is fairly new. But that's why you see the paper around, because they just reglazed the tub, so they're just waiting for this to dry. So if you would like to view this apartment or you have any questions about it, my name is Robert Salisbury with Keller Williams. You can reach me at 646-470-2787, or you could email me at rsalisbury@kwnyc.com. That's RSALSBERRY@kwnyc.com. Thank you, guys.